इस दुनिया से अपना हिस्सा लेना है, हिम्मत और पूरे वकार के साथ। If you have parents, you are the richest person on this planet. During my childhood, like everyone, I used to think that education is the only way to live for. Home to school is the only way, and exams are the only challenges of my life. Dad is my hero and my mother is all blessings I have in my life. And I am all secured with no hurdles. I used to think that earth is heaven and I am the luckiest person to live in this peaceful and very visible environment. Life moved on to the next stage and mentality started becoming reality, and getting job was the first most unfeasible situation I have ever faced in my life. My all needs before this were fulfilled by my parents, and I never realized that money has to be earned by putting soul on stake. I was taught that I am the strongest girl on this planet and there is no hurdle for me on the way to life that I cannot conquer. My parents made my belief strongest, and they told me that I can do whatever I want to do in my life. They sat down next to me and asked me to carry on seeking job and never quit until I get. Later, I got a job where I felt every eye was scanning me head to feet. I felt discomfort, I felt a fear of loss, and it made me confused. Although I had to carry on my professional career and I ignored such a threatening environment in the beginning. I had to show bravery and will to keep on moving, to keep on making career, and to keep on flourishing life. Unfortunately, I could not compromise on few situations a girl should never compromise on. I had to quit. I had to stop dreaming. My father, my hero, and my mother, a blessing, again sat down next to me and advised me to ignore all the threats around. I stood up and joined another organization with a very low salary package because of my lesser work experience. I focused on working hard to prove my willpower and show how enthusiastic and passionate I am. I had to take this career journey for thousands of miles, and I started making compromises on ignoring such irritating things against me. I kept on smiling all the time. I was moving forward with better strategies taught by my parents. And there was a situation again that I could not compromise on, and a girl should never compromise on. I became louder and harsh at my immediate boss, and I quit again. This was the third time my parents sat down next to me and they were guiding me to stay strong and keep on going. Next time the organization was professional, I joined. I felt secure and I worked hard, and 2 years passed here with zeal and zest. This time I could not bear a no promotion or no increment for me at all. I was deeply hurt. I was feeling down, and I lost belief in myself and I quit. And I was feeling like, Alhamdulillah, I am out of this. My parents sat down next to me and asked me, am I going to perish forever or to step forward? This time I decided to establish my own business, and my parents gave all the money they saved. Now the challenge was to have a better return, and I knew nothing about business. I felt a strong fear of losing my parents' money, and I wanted to quit immediately for an ideal home life. My father sat down next to me and told me that it would be his only loss if I quit facing life challenges and risks. He helped me in establishing a ready-made women boutique. New experience was amazing. No threats, no fears, no pressure, and no harassments. I stood up close to the break-even points for almost 10 months. I was little disappointed because I wasn't making profit since last 10 months. My parents sat down next to me and they told me that they have earned more than their expectation because of my interest in work and my belief. They told me that they are feeling rich because of my passion. I got a heavy order from a renowned brand. They liked my boutique style, they liked my designing, stitching, and they trusted my work. My mother always motivated me to create something new. And we both used to make little changes in dresses. A day came when I was able to establish a business of my own satisfaction level. This is the story of my only friend Saima. She is now running her own brand with 200 plus employees now. Wow. We all have more or less same stories of our parents who have sacrificed their everything for our success. Few parents cannot do much for us because of their strong constraints, but still they're always thinking positive for us. They are praying for us. They are burning themselves for us. Let's be grateful to our parents. No matter, I would suggest, I would request, never ever stand opponent to your parents. Never ever stand opposite to your whole world. If you keep on looking forward, there are many opportunities one after the other. There is a destination if you keep on stepping forward. There is a life feasible for you. What you need to do is stay strong. ये दुनिया तुम्हारी भी है, ये सूरज तुम्हारे लिए भी चमकता है। इस कायनात के तमाम असबाब तुम्हें भी सर्व करते हैं। हर अपॉर्चुनिटी तुम्हारे लिए भी है। जिंदगी तुमने भी जीनी है। तुम्हें बस एक काम करना है, इस दुनिया से अपना हिस्सा लेना है, हिम्मत और पूरे वकार के साथ।